Well, let's start by really analyzing what sort of a market India is. The market that India is consists primarily of the masses. These are people who have their income levels at, the kind of income levels where they can't really afford to go to a multiplex multiple times a month and pay those 250 rupees for their tickets. And that's where I believe that we as single screens are not catering to a luxury but a need of this market by selling tickets at as low as 50 rupees or even lower in states like Andhra Pradesh at 35. 250 rupees a ticket for a family of four. There goes your 1,000 rupees to get into the multiplex. The two children who wouldn't do without the popcorn. There goes another 250 or 300. When they're going back home or heading out from the movie, the wife surely doesn't want to go back home and cook aloo or gobi. They go to that food court there and spend another 600-700 rupees. For an average Indian, is this really viable? And as an industry, if we have these people coming to for a movie once in a month or once in 2 months, are we really doing good business? And that's where single screens are catering to this very basic need. The single screen experience, as the multiplexes say, they enable an experience, they give a choice. Well, great. They do provide a great ambience. But I'd like to bring up a point and say that the single screens also give an experience which I'd say in its own way is unmatchable. And what better experience can there be than 1,000 people clapping, cheering, and whistling together to the kind of cinema that we enjoy? Let's realize that we are catering to an audience which is used to all this and which still loves all this. There's no point in catering to an audience that drools by the mention of samosas and stuffing nachos down their throats. Talking about the content that's being created, if you look at the actual share, the net figure that comes back to the distributors and producers,